be afraid of lions.
What?
It's so funny.
Afraid of lions? Why?
Because
why?
you can shoot them.
What?
You can shoot lions.
Oh, no, you don't
they're
want to shoot
afraid.
lions. Lions are pretty. Why would you want to shoot them?
Hey, I need to sit up here.
Okay, sit up there.
And
And do what? So tell me.
So I need it up. I need it up, Uncle Dad. So my self needs to be a queue of butterflies to make your world so bright morning, noon,
Quit
and
moving
night. But guess what? Oh, I need to write this. Guess what?
This is what happens
Oh,
when a
what?
cute little girl gets a hold of your GoPro.
What? Guess what? My Uncle Dad loves me so much. He doesn't want to let me go. He comes to my house. We come here. Oh. So let's be afraid of scaring lions, but guess what? No one bees afraid. When you're being afraid, no one bees afraid.
Hey, watch
What?
for the camera. What are you doing with the camera? Hey, Tessa, leave that alone.
Okay.
Hey, look at the camera.
Okay. So, oh. Selfie. Oh, so up, down, up, down.
Okay. I gotta check the battery. Let me check the battery.